to this video, and today's video you are going to learn how to change a default language in Windows laptop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Windows tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come to the window icon right here. Right click on the window icon. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to settings right here. Click on settings. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to time and language. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to language. Then take you to this particular page right here. So by default, I have English United States on my window display language. Now, for you to change your window display language to whatever language of your choice, what you need to do is to simply click on add a language right here. Then from the drop down right here, you have to choose a language to install. So you can simply scroll down and look for your preferred language from these drop down options right here. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of languages right here that you can choose and install into your Windows laptop. And whenever you choose any of the language right here, it automatically changes to your display language on Windows PC. So this is how basically you can change your display language on Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.